Have you ever wondered how Amazon remembers what's in your cart even after you log out? Or how Instagram knows your entire friends list? Even that one random person you followed in 2017? It's not magic. It's data structures. Now, we know what you are thinking. Data structures sound technical and boring, but trust us, once you see how they work behind the scenes of your favorite apps, you'll actually start to enjoy them. So, hey folks, welcome back to NIIT, where tech and growth are made simple. Today, we are going to break down some core data structures using real-world examples you can relate to. We are talking arrays, linked lists, stacks, and queues, made simple, fun, and totally beginner-friendly. Why data structures matter? Let's start with something relatable. Imagine your room is a complete mess. You need your keys, but you can't find them because everything's scattered. That's what data without structure looks like in a computer. Now imagine your room is neat, everything is in place, and you grab your keys in 2 seconds. That's what data structures do. They organize your code so your computer doesn't waste time looking for things. In programming, this organization leads to better speed, less memory use, and a smoother experience for users. So let's begin with arrays. Think of an array like a row of labeled boxes, each holding a piece of data, like a shopping cart. You add items one by one, and they stay in the order you added them. Want the third item in the cart? No problem. Arrays let you access any item by its position instantly. Apps like To-Do List use arrays to store and display tasks. You check things off in order. Arrays are great when you know how much data you have and need quick access to it. Now, moving forward to linked list. Imagine you are building a playlist. You want to insert a song in the middle or remove one easily. That's where linked list comes in. A linked list is like a chain of train cars. Each one holds some data and points to the next. Unlike arrays, you don't need everything packed tightly together. You can add or remove items without shifting everything else. Music apps like Spotify use linked lists to manage playlists. They let you reorder songs, skip or delete without messing up the whole list. Linked list offers flexibility and are perfect when your data is constantly changing. Next up, stacks. Stacks work just like a pile of plates. You put plates on top and you take plates from the top. Last in, first out. In the digital world, stacks are used when the most recent action matters the most. Think of the undo button. Every change you make is added to the stack. When you hit undo, the last change is removed first. Stacks are simple but powerful for tasks like navigating back in a browser or managing your edit history. Now, let's flip it. Queues work the opposite way. First in, first out. Think of a queue like a line at a coffee shop. The first person to arrive is the first person served. No cutting allowed. In programming, queues are used when order matters and you want to be fair. Customer service system, print queues, and message delivery system use queues to process tasks in the order they arrive. If you have ever waited for a file to download on your number to be called in support chat, that's a queue in action. Now let's connect the dots with some real-world platforms. E-commerce sites like Amazon use arrays to organize product listing. When you add something to your cart, a linked list helps manage that cart so you can add and remove items flexibly. Social media platforms use stacks to handle notifications. You see the latest one first. They use queues to deliver messages in the right order during chats. In games, stacks track your level history, so you can go back to the previous one. Queues process action in order, like movements or power-ups. These are some of the basic tools used everywhere from apps to enterprise software. So let's recap. Arrays are for storing ordered data and accessing it quickly. Linked list offers flexibility, perfect when your data changes a lot. Stacks handle the most recent actions first. Queues process data in the order it arrives. These are foundational building blocks. Once you get these, you'll be ready to explore more advanced ones like trees, graphs, and hash tables. Want to learn faster? Try building something small. Create a to-do app using arrays. Make a playlist using a linked list. Add an undo feature with a stack. Simulate a call center queue in your code. You'll understand them much better when you start using them. And if you are serious about leveling up, check out NIIT's Full Stack Development with Gen AI Honors program. Link is in the description below. Data structures aren't just for exams or interviews. They power the apps you use every day. They make your code smarter, faster, and more reliable. So which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped you finally get what data structures are all about, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stick around. We have got plenty more coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.